Hello YouTube, here we are. The bird hide, the second one. Didn't realise there was another one until recently. I checked and this is actually a lower one, a smaller one. It's the second bird hide, just before the big main one there. So I'm actually looking through. As you can see, got Portbury Industrial Estate, a nice lake there. Nice little lake. Loads of wildlife. It's late afternoon now, got 7 crossing over there. Yeah, pretty good stuff. We're out on our 88th test cycle to the bird hide, which is the next one up, so we'll finish that shortly. It's been quite a packed day considering it's cold. Yeah, very busy, run into loads of people. We've got another part of the lake there, you can see that, just over there. Anyway, thanks for watching, we'll cut it there. Rate, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. Thanks for watching.